video, we will learn English words and sentences. Imagine speaking English confidently, without hesitation, without fear. So get ready, grab a notebook, and let's level up your English together. And don't forget, watch till the end, because your favorite word might be waiting for you there. Part 2. Daily action verbs. Eat, to consume food. Eat, to consume food. I eat an apple daily. Drink, to consume liquid. Drink, to consume liquid. She drinks water often. Run, move fast. Run, move fast. They run in the park. Walk, move slowly. Walk, move slowly. I walk every morning. Speak, talk. Speak, talk. He speaks English very well. Listen, hear carefully. Listen, hear carefully. Please listen to me. Read, look at words. Read, look at words. I read a book daily. Write, put words on paper. Write, put words on paper. He writes a letter. Watch, look carefully. Watch, look carefully. We watch TV at night. Play, have fun. Play, have fun. Children play football. Work, do a job. Work, do a job. He works in an office. Study, learn something. Study, learn something. I study every day. Sleep, rest. Sleep, rest. Babies sleep a lot. Wake, stop sleeping. Wake, stop sleeping. I wake up early. Open, unlock. Open, unlock. Please open the door. Close, shut. Close, shut. Close the window. Start, begin. Start, begin. Let's start the class. Stop and stop and stop the car. Help, assist. Help, assist. I help my friend. Try, make an effort. Try, make an effort. Try to stay calm. Now tell me in the comments which word is your favorite. And if you want to speak English fluently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.